Hello friends, welcome to Gizmo Advisors. In this video I am going to show you how to insert camera on the mount in the tripod, that is a Simpex 2400. First of all, you have to remove this top mount by flipping this out. Now it has been removed. Now take your camera and place it on the top of it in this position and hold it like that, and take this pin out and rotate it slowly. Once you feel that the pin is tight and it can hold the camera in the place, just keep it like this and adjust your camera according to that. Once the camera is straight, just flip this mount in the place and lock this. Now your camera is mounted on the tripod. That's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video.